Enjoy low-maintenance living in this beautiful home built in 2022, conveniently located within the Lincolnton city limits. Just minutes from Atrium Health Lincoln, shopping, restaurants, schools, and other everyday conveniences, this home offers the perfect combination of comfort and location. The open concept floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious kitchen with granite countertops, a large center island, and plenty of cabinet space ideal for cooking, entertaining, or gathering with family and friends. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows throughout the main living areas, while the upstairs bedrooms are comfortably carpeted. The main level primary suite offers privacy and convenience with a walk-in shower, double vanity, and generous closet space. Upstairs provides additional bedrooms and living space perfect for family, guests, or a home office. Relax on the covered front porch with attractive stacked stone columns or enjoy the fully fenced backyard, offering a great space for outdoor entertaining, pets, or simply unwinding after a long day. A one-car garage provides additional storage and parking. This newer home offers modern finishes, a manageable yard, no HOA, and an excellent location close to everything Lincolnton has to offer. Monthly rent: $2,150 security deposit, $2,150 application fee, $40 per adult, non-refundable. Applicants are subject to credit, criminal background, income,